had the opportunity to come together with all of our students for our AVID assembly. We do this every month, so it's an exciting opportunity for us to celebrate all of our students who have earned a character award, and then we also introduce our next trait and then highlight parts of our AVID work.
We had this opportunity to shine a light on those kiddos that were showing integrity throughout this month as we were thinking about it. And as teachers take this back to the classroom, they'll be having their kids focus on qualities of integrity, or they'll focus on qualities of building up independence or building up their own student agency. And so that is how they can develop not only with just our writing skills, but also those human skills that we need to be learning here at school as well.
Making the right choice even when no one is watching.
We've been talking about integrity for the last month, and we do that in everything we do. So it starts in the morning announcements, and then it carries throughout the classroom, in the cafeteria, just everywhere. We really highlight that character trait. So we are talking about integrity, and then we all live it. And we walk the walk, we talk the talk, and then we highlight students where we really see integrity happening.
Wait, is that showing integrity?
I'm talking to him and he's ignoring me.
Oh, I see that now.
Whatever character trait we're working on, we point it out in our students and try to really empower our kids to show those traits, because we're not thinking about just now, we're trying to help them be great citizens for the future.
Our AVID assemblies are one way of helping our students refocus and remind themselves of what our monthly goals might be. AVID
is really just helping our students to be college and career ready. And we really want them to be ready for the future and to be successful in all parts. And I think about that whole child and really wanting them to be a good person, but also be successful and hold them to really high standards. And then it takes them into middle school and high school and then hopefully college and their careers.